In this video, I'm going to explain whether a VPN can hide your online activity from your internet provider and how much privacy you actually get when you use one. Before we start, if you want a trusted VPN with real privacy protection, I recommend NordVPN. It has strong encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and some of the fastest servers available. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along. Before anything, remember this video is for educational purposes only. A VPN is meant for privacy and security, not for illegal activity. Always follow your local laws and regulations. Now, let's talk about the main question. Does a VPN hide you from your ISP? The answer is yes, but with some important details. When your VPN is active, everything you do online gets encrypted. That means your internet provider can't see the websites you visit, the apps you use, the videos you watch, or any searches you make. They only see that you're connected to a VPN server, not what you're doing once you're connected. A VPN also replaces your real IP address with the IP of the VPN server, so your ISP can't track which online services you're using or build a history of your browsing activity. This stops ISP tracking, prevents them from selling your data to advertisers, and can even reduce throttling because they can't detect your traffic type. However, it's important to understand the limits. A VPN doesn't make you 100% invisible. If you log into personal accounts like Gmail, Facebook, or Netflix, those platforms can still identify you because you're signing in directly. A VPN protects your connection, not the information you choose to share with websites. This is why choosing a VPN with a verified no-logs policy is so important. NordVPN has been independently audited several times to confirm that it does not store browsing history, DNS logs, IP logs, or any identifiable data. It's based in Panama, which is outside major surveillance groups, meaning even if someone requests information, there's nothing stored to hand over. A VPN also gives extra layers of protection on top of ISP privacy. Features like threat protection, block malware and trackers, and the kill switch makes sure your internet disconnects automatically if the VPN drops, so your ISP never gets a sudden burst of unprotected traffic. So yes, a VPN hides your browsing, encrypts your traffic, protects your identity, and prevents your ISP from tracking what you do online. But it does not hide your identity on accounts you personally log into, and doesn't make you immune to laws. If you want strong privacy, fast speeds, and proven no-logs protection, NordVPN is the best option overall. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep your ISP from seeing your online activity.